दो माननीय उपसभापति जी।
नमस्कार जी। Now, 1 second. Papers after this. Papers to be after paper laying. Papers to be laid on the table. Sri Arun Jaitley. No, yeah. Okay, then later. Anything else? What is this? No. What is this? Okay. You want to lay? That's ISS. Papers laying by. Yeah.
So on behalf of my senior colleague,
Yeah.
Shri Arun Jaitley, I wish to lay on the table under subsection 2 of Section 38 of the Central Excise Act 1944, a copy in English and in Hindi of the Ministry of Finance, Department of Revenue, notification number 35/2016, Central Excise, dated 28th November 2016, seeking to exempt Central Excise /CV duty, countervailing duty on all goods for manufacture of POS devices, subject to actual user condition, till 31/3/2017, along with explanatory memorandum.
Okay. Thank you. Now discussion, we'll start discussion. Dilip. What is the point of order? Who will? Okay.
उपसभापति जी, नियमावली में ये बड़ा साफ लिखा कि सदस्य को कैसा आचरण रखना चाहिए और मंत्रियों के लिए और साफ लिखा हुआ है। यहाँ पर जिस तरीके से माननीय संसदीय कार्य राज्य मंत्री और आज वेंकैया जी जब लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन बोल रहे थे, सदस्यों को उकसा रहे थे, वाकई में वो शोभित नहीं था। लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन अगर बोल रहे थे, अब आचरण देख लीजिए, आचरण देख लीजिए।
Why you are doing this? No. This is. Why are you doing like this? I allowed him. I allowed. But I allowed him. See.
ये
आप सुनिए, I allowed Sri Naresh Agarwal. So let them keep quiet. Hold them.
ये सरकारी दलाल जो है,
1 second.
ये सदन को नहीं चलने देना।
Sir, this is very objectionable. Sir, ये जो है, ये भाषा बिल्कुल जो है वो अनएक्सेप्टेबल है। सर, ये क्या भाषा बोली जा रही है?
दलाल पार्लियामेंटेरियन
क्या भाषा ये बोली जा रही है?
दलाल
सर,
पार्लियामेंटेरियन
ये सदन के अंदर किस तरह की भाषा, किस तरह का आचरण हो रहा है? क्या इस तरह की भाषा एक्सेप्ट की जाएगी? ये क्या भाषा आप बोल रहे हैं? किस तरह की भाषा आप बोल रहे हैं? ये ठीक नहीं है भाषा।
निकलवा लीजिए, ये पार्लियामेंटेरियन।
ये भाषा बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है इस भाषा के लिए। सर, इसको जो है वो इसके लिए हम अपॉलॉजी मांगेंगे। इसके लिए अपॉलॉजी की
Treasury benches, please listen to me.
दलाल जो है,
Treasury benches,
पार्लियामेंटेरियन
Treasury benches, please. No, please. Treasury benches, please listen to me. I allowed Sri Naresh Agarwal to raise point of order. Now, you had no business at that point of time to create this kind of ruckus. You are no business. Number two, if Sri Naresh Agarwal has said anything unparliamentary, I will go through the record and explain it. No problem. I will go through. But let me listen to his point of order. Now, let me listen to his. I will allow him also, no problem. But let me listen to his point of order. Let me listen to that.
सभापति, इन्होंने भी झूठा शब्द कहा है। इधर से मेंबरों ने जो झूठा शब्द कहा है, उसको भी देख लिया जाए।
Okay, now.
उसको भी देख लिया जाए।
दोनों देखेंगे। No.
और इस पे बहस हो जाए आज।
Mr. Ali Khan, Mr. Ali
आज
Khan,
इस पे बहस हो जाए।
Mr. Ali Khan, Mr. Ali, you are not to talk to him. Go back to your seat. Go back to your seat.
माननीय सभापति जी,
Go, now listen. Naresh,
ब्रोकर शब्द
Naresh, let me
पार्लियामेंटेरियन
come.
है
Yes,
कि नहीं? इस पे-
I will
इस पे
go
बात
through
हो जाए।
both the whatever is said from both sides. I will accept. But my point is, my but now, no, you are not. Sit down, lad. Are you sit down? Are Baba, let me complete. Are you, Tiwari, you sit down. You sit down, please. See, I will deal with that. Sit down. No, nothing will go on record. Sit down. Nothing will go on record. Sit down. See, now please. Naresh, I will, see, let me make it very clear, honorable members. Yes, members may be agitated. Both sides there may be reason for agitation also. I don't mind. I have no problem with that. It is okay. It is part of democracy. But if I allow one member to raise a point of order, what he explains, what is, I have to understand. Don't create problem at that point of time. If, therefore, Agarwal should complete, Naresh, what you have to say. And if you are, yes, after that, minister has a point of order, I allow both. I allow that also. Third point is, both sides, if anything said on parliamentary, I will definitely expunge it. Expand. What is your point of order? You have to stick to the point.
कि जब माननीय सदस्यों को आचरण कैसा करना चाहिए, सदस्य माने मंत्री भी, जो इस सदन का सदस्य है और सदस्य होकर मंत्री है, उसका आचरण कैसा होना चाहिए दिया हुआ है। और आचरण अगर नहीं ठीक है तो सदस्य पीठ कैसे उस आचरण को ठीक करेगी, सदस्य के खिलाफ कैसे कार्रवाई करेगी, ये भी नियमावली में दिया है। हम आप इंगित करेंगे, निकालेंगे।
No, that is for everybody.
निकालेंगे।
No, whether
आज पूर्व संसदीय कार्य मंत्री, जो पहले संसदीय कार्य मंत्री थे, उन्होंने जब लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन बोल रहे थे,
कब
आज सुबह मॉर्निंग 12 बजे
it didn't happen.
चेयरमैन was on the
When I was in the chair,
chairman was on the chair.
no, listen.
Chairman was on the
When chairman was there,
Yeah.
that you got to tell honorable chairman, not to me.
वाह ये हम तो चेयर से
No, no, I cannot.
चेयर से कह रहे हैं।
No, no.
नहीं श्रीमती
Listen.
नहीं, ये रूलिंग गलत होगी।
No.
चेयर पे कोई भी बैठा हो, रूल 9 में ये स्पष्ट दिया है कि चेयर पे कोई भी बैठा हो वही पावर होगी और वही स्थित होगी।
इसलिए मैं
चेयरमैन साहब बैठे लेकिन चूंकि वो घटना घटी, इस बारे में कह रहा हूं।
आप सुनिए, लेकिन जब चेयरमैन बैठते थे चेयर में, उस समय अगर कोई मिनिस्टर और मेंबर कुछ बोला है तो मैं कैसे कॉग्नाइज करूंगा? I cannot take cognizance of that.
मैं तो आपसे
You see that point, if you like, you can raise it when the honorable chairman is there. Because I have not seen it. I don't know.
इसके मतलब
No, I cannot. No, I am not allowing you to raise
इसका
it now.
मतलब ये हो गया, अगर कोई अधिष्ठाता मंडल का सदस्य चेयर पे बैठा है
No,
और
I said-
उसके सामने कोई बात हो जाए और उसके
No,
बाद
no,
आप
the
चेयर पे
point.
बैठ जाएं, तो
See,
आप उठा नहीं सकते। इसका
नहीं,
मतलब
उड़ा
ये
सकते हैं। मैं
तो कैसे हो गया?
उड़ा सकते हैं। मैंने बोला, since chairman was sitting at that point of time in the chair, I have only advised you to raise or take the matter with chairman. That's all my
इस
advice.
समय आप भी चेयरमैन हमारे लिए हैं। आप चेयरमैन से कम
You,
थोड़ी हैं।
how do I make a judgment? No, how do I pass a judgment on something which I do not know?
Why you are underestimated? आप estimate मत
No,
कीजिए।
you can take up with honorable chairman. What is your point of order? What is your point of order?
My point of order is under 238.
238.
Yeah, sir.
That is there.
Sir,
That is your point of order.
sir. Make a personal charge against a member. Sir, अभी ऑनरेबल नरेश अग्रवाल जी ने जिन शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किया, मैं उसको दोहराना नहीं चाहता। उन्होंने कहा कि बीजेपी के सदस्य दलाल हैं।
क्या शब्द है?
सरकारी दलाल है। The members of the BJP.
सरकारी दलाल.
सरकारी दलाल.
Dalal mean agent.
Yes. You go through the record, sir.
Yeah.
You go through the record.
Yeah.
This is the very objectionable, very derogatory, and unparliamentary both. And I am requesting you,
Sarkari
sir,
dalal.
I am requesting you कि not only spend, but we want apology from the honorable members also.
Sarkari Dalal, is it unparliamentary? Agent. Agent of Sarkar. Let me see.
Yes.
Let me see. If it is unparliamentary, I will explain. Yeah. Come ahead. आप उसने की दलाल बनकर क्या कर रहे हैं पूंजीपति होगी दूसरा दलाल नहीं सकता है ये सरकार दलाली कर रही है अरे सुनिए the point is I want to be clear about it.
Yes.
See इसमें लिखा है if you are the dalal of पूंजीपति that is capitalist.
Yes.
It is an aspersion. If you say if it is sarkar dalal, how can it be? You are sarkar.
इन्होंने कहा कि ये दलाल
No, no, I am only asking.
नेवर से सरकार का दलाल
I am only asking. That is not the ruling, no.
मेंबर है he is the dalal.
No, no.
Members are dalal.
I am not giving. That is not a ruling.
He said no. No. No.
No.
How can
I am only asking. You have to explain. No. Arey, let me. You go back. I am asking him a question. You go back.
Yes.
You please go back, honorable lady member.
Yes.
Honorable lady member, please go back. This is not good. You are an honorable lady member. You behave properly. No, I am. My question. My question is go back. My question is to the honorable minister himself. Because no, see you first of all know I do not know Hindi very much. I am only a tukada Hindi wala. You know that. See, let me say, इसलिए मैंने पूछा, इधर लिखा है, no, yes, I am only asking him, इसलिए लिखा है, पूंजीपति को दलाल, ऐसा लिखा है, that is, please, अरे you sit down, I am only trying to understand, I have not given a ruling, then why do you give? Yeah, see, my clarification is only this. You said Sarkar ki dalal. In the book likha hai Poonjipatiyon ka dalal. Because agent of a capitalist. That is certainly derogatory. I am only asking you. Now, if you say you are agent of Sarkar, is it derogatory? That's all what I am saying. Tell me.
Sir, dalal word
Yeah,
is-
please.
Dalal word
explain
itself
to
is
me.
unparliamentary.
Let me understand.
Sir, dalal word itself is unparliamentary.
Dalal per se.
Derogative.
Okay,
And-
dalal per se.
And dalal word is unparliamentary.
Oh, that word
And
itself.
If the honorable member.
Okay.
If honorable member
ये
charge.
देखो, पूछो. दलाल word ऐसा है, unparliamentary है.
This is
अरे
very
हिंदी में मैं क्या करूं?
derogatory,
दलाली
unparliamentary, or we want apology from the
दूसरा
honorable member.
दलाल नहीं हो सकता है या सरकार दलाली उनको बुलाओ हाँ उनको बुलाओ What is the name? No. Let me. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Yes, because on another Rajasthan Vidhan Sabha is Sarkar ke dalal. They have declared it unparliamentary. It is there. So. Unparliamentary. Yes. Arey, sit down. Let me complete. Sit down. What is this? Let me complete. You sit down. Let me complete this. What is this kind of indiscipline? Sit down there. You are not allowing me to complete it. Let me complete. See, this kind. I am sorry. I will let John and go away. This is this kind of indiscipline from treasury benches. Let me complete it. You don't allow me to do that. You raise a point of order and you don't allow me to complete. Not only, Please, not only that, मैंने पहले बोला सरकारी दलाल is unparliamentary, but further to that, दलाल itself सदस्य के लिए कहा गया है तो दलाल itself is unparliamentary. So expunged. Oh, okay. सदस्यों के लिए. Okay, now sit down. अरे what is this? Sit down. Now, okay, Naresh ji, हो गया. Okay, what is your point of order?
No,
Okay, otherwise I will ask.
Clarification
Yeah.
to what you have said.
Eh?
Sir, clarification to what you have
Eh?
said.
What
I
is,
have a point of order, definitely. And I will seek your permission.
what is your point of order? बोलिए.
Sir, but before that,
Ah.
I want to ask from the chair
Ah.
to be enlightened.
Ah.
In Calcutta, there is a famous street called the Dalal Street. Now, what would we refer to that? Dalal is also a surname in many states. Dalal is also a
But
surname.
Dalal apply,
Yes,
no,
sir.
Dalal apply to a member. That is what is in the book. Dalal,
Saying it in a lighter way.
Dalal when applied to a member is unparliamentary. छोड़ो ये light.
ये सारे बात पे
Lighter
गुस्सा
sense
मत
में
किया
लो,
करो,
छोड़ो.
बैठ जाया करो।
Now see,
जैन साहब,
आनंद शर्मा जी,
आप तो योद्धा की तरह से कूद पड़ते हो, कभी तुझे मजाक भी कर लिया करो। बैठ जाओ।
see, Anand Sharma ji,
Sir, I have a
Dalal
point of order.
when applied to a member is unparliamentary. That
Sir, I
is
have
what
a
is
point
in the
of
book.
order, sir.
I saw it in the book.
Sir, I have a point of order.
Okay,
Sir,
okay. Okay.
sir, I have a point of order.
Oh.
Under Article 300A of the Constitution and also under Article 21. Sir, Article 300A of the Constitution says that no person shall be deprived of his property save by authority of law. Sir, neither the Constitution nor the law gives any authority to the Prime Minister or the government to deprive the people of their property, particularly the bank account holders, of their money. Sir, this is the Constitution, sir. Sir, even this is a point of order. आप बैठ जाओ. अरे point of order है. अरे देख point of order है ये. अपने लोगों को बैठा ले. Sir, I want a ruling. Sir, because the Banking Regulation Act, the RBI Act, and the Constitution of India does not vest the Prime Minister, Finance Minister, or the government collectively with any power or authority to deprive people access to their own property, that's their money, lying in their own bank deposit accounts, or to ration that in any manner. And along with that, sir, my point of order, Article 21 of the Constitution, that no person shall be deprived of life or liberty. What has been done? 80 people have died. Sir, this is what has happened. There are 34 notifications, circulars. Sir, Chair may kindly listen to me, my submission, sir. Sir, the government has not tabled even one notification or one circular in the House. Not even one notification. RBI notification, sir. There is a report of the Subordinate Legislation Committee that they are treated as subordinate legislation, and all those circulars have to be tabled in the House. Sir, since 8th of November, the first RBI circular, and until now combined between the Finance Ministry, 23 circulars, and the circulars of RBI, 34 notifications in all, not even one has been tabled in this House. It's not only the Prime Minister not coming and explaining, where are those notifications? It is illegality being committed, and I want a ruling, sir, that whether this government has any right to deprive people of their property, even, sir, Article 360 may be read. And Article 360, sir. Article 360 gives empower to the government to impose financial emergency. Even in the event of a financial emergency, austerity measures can be imposed, state can give directions, but it has to be with the approval of the president, and the salaries of the government employees only can be reduced when there is a financial emergency. Sir, here, provisions of financial emergency are being misused by this government without invoking or imposing
Okay.
or proclaiming.
All right.
I am very clear, sir, that it is illegality. There is no law.
Okay.
There is no law.
All right. I got to your point.
Sir,
I understood your point. I understood your point.
Sir.
Okay, now.
sir, we want ruling,
Yes.
sir. We want a ruling on this.
Yes, I will give ruling. I understood your point. Sit down, sit down. Ask them to sit down. Naqvi ji, ask them to sit down. Naqvi ji, yes. Now listen, please. Now see, yes, Mr. Anand Sharma, I am not an advocate, but he has raised a very substantial, fundamental point. I agree. I am not saying that is irrelevant. I am not saying. But this is a matter which falls within the scope of the discussion which we have taken. Now please, now let me say, that is the very, you see, that is the very crux of the discussion. That is, listen, see, you have given a notice for demonetization, and on the basis, and that was a suspension notice also. On the basis of that, we have started a discussion. Within the scope of that discussion, all this, the legality or otherwise of the demonetization. No, let me complete. No, don't, please. Let me complete. The legality or otherwise of the demonetization scheme can be discussed threadbare here, and the government is expected to give a reply for that. So your point, your point, since it is a matter which is already before the House, under discussion, I cannot give a ruling that it is for the government to do that now. I am not giving a ruling on
the
that.
Constitution.
It's for the government to do that.
Sir,
Because it's a matter under discussion.
point of order, sir.
Yes.
Nothing to do with the discussion.
Yeah.
I am talking of
Why?
illegality.
See, something for which
Sir, I am talking of
no, let me ask you.
constitutionality and illegality. And sir,
Ah,
the chair should actually.
So you, for that you continue the discussion. Yes. Forget it. Yes, Misra ji.
हाउस नोटिफाई
Yes,
हो गया था
और getting-
उसके बाद इन्होंने आदेश
ना,
जारी
yes.
किया बाहर 8 तारीख को
इसलिए मैं-
हाउस का कंटेम्प्ट किया
इसलिए मैं
उसके
बोलता
बाद
है-
अब हाउस चल रहा है
नहीं।
उसके बाद प्रधानमंत्री जी यहाँ नहीं आते
Yes.
और यहाँ पर प्लेस भी नहीं
I
करते
agree कर
इस
रही है।
तरह का
I
नोटिफिकेशन कोई
said-
हाउस में नहीं लाया
see,
जा रहा
I
है
said-
तो इसमें डिस्कशन की बात
No, I mean-
क्वेश्चन इज दिस कि आप
ना मिश्रा जी सुनिए. I said the point.
You are depriving
अब
the
सुनिए.
poor man.
Now you
are
listen.
depriving them their money which is in the bank.
अब
which they
सुनिए,
own.
that is what
And
I am
you say
saying.
without any order,
Now-
without any legal document.
that is what I am
which is
saying.
Before the house, and they are depriving.
अच्छा, now अभी
So
सुनिए.
that is the question which
Now,
is raising.
that is why I said, I am not saying that what the point raised is irrelevant. I am not saying that. But this is the point of the discussion. Therefore, yes. So this is to be discussed here. It is for the government to give a reply to. It is for the government to give a reply to that, not for the chair.
Honorable Deputy Chairman.
Chair cannot give a reply to that.
Honorable Deputy
Chair
Chairman.
cannot go into, no, I'll allow you. No, you see the point, let me complete it. See, this is a kind of, there's a kind of understanding. You see, chair is not to go into the pros and cons, merit or demerit, legality or otherwise, of a point of discussion before the House. That is my point. That is to be settled between the opposition benches and the treasury benches. You discuss and sort it out. It is not for the chair to answer that. That is what I am saying. Now that's so start the discussion. Start the discussion.
बोलते हैं
Sir,
Yes.
वो
LOP.
सरकारी
सर इनसे कहिए कि चर्चा शुरू करें.
LOP.
Resume the discussion.
LOP.
And then we will give the
LOP. I called LOP.
whatever they want.
LOP. I called LOP. LOP.
सर
LOP can
तीन
stand
चार
up and say even without point of order.
तीन चार चीजें इस सदन में स्पष्ट होनी चाहिए। सब लोग प्रधानमंत्री का आदर करते हैं, कोई
Now listen. LOP is speaking, you have to listen. When LOP is speaking, you have to listen. Sit down. Let us keep up the decorum of the house. LOP is speaking, please listen. Surya. Yes, after this I will come to you. Okay. I will also learn from both sides. Okay. Now please. Arey suniye, if you want, I will allow you after that. But when LOP,
Sir.
the convention of this house is that LOP and LOH will be heard. So sit down, please.
सर, मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि मैं कहूंगा हम प्रधानमंत्री का आदर करेंगे और भारतीय जनता पार्टी को उस पर आपत्ति होगी। ठीक है, आप नहीं करते तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, उस पर भी आपको आपत्ति हुई। सर, तीन चार चीजें ये अभी तक स्पष्टीकरण नहीं किया गया। एक तो नोटिफिकेशन हो गई ये पार्लियामेंट शुरू होने की, और समन्स इशू हो गए, उसके बाद की अनाउंसमेंट। नॉर्मली अगर समन्स भी इशू नहीं होते हैं तो भी माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी अगर कभी भी इस तरह की बड़ी अनाउंसमेंट करते हैं तो हाउस जब भी मिलता है तो प्रधानमंत्री स्टेटमेंट देते हैं। ये पहली दफा हुआ कि इतनी बड़ी अनाउंसमेंट के बाद प्रधानमंत्री ने न इस हाउस में न दूसरे सदन में कोई स्टेटमेंट दिया है। ये पहली बात। दूसरी ये बात है,
इसलिए डिस्कशन शुरू कर रहे हो प्रधानमंत्री,
इसीलिए हमारी मांग पहले दिन से है कि चर्चा दोनों सदनों में होनी चाहिए, लेकिन जिस नेता ने, जिस लीडर ने अनाउंसमेंट की है वो मौजूद होना चाहिए, क्योंकि आमतौर पर यह बताया जाता है कि कैबिनेट को मालूम नहीं था, वित्त मंत्री को मालूम नहीं था, किसी को मालूम नहीं था। जब किसी को भी नहीं मालूम था तो जिसको मालूम नहीं था तो वो कैसे सवाल जवाब दे सकता है? तो जवाब वही दे सकता है जिसने अनाउंसमेंट की है। इसलिए हमारी मांग शुरू से ही है कि
लेकिन
प्रधानमंत्री जी सदन में आए,
गुलाम नबी
वो
जी,
सबके भाषण
गुलाम
सुने
नबी जी,
और इसका उत्तर दें। ये कैसे हो सकता है?
गुलाम नबी जी,
प्रधानमंत्री जी लाइब्रेरी तक, पार्लियामेंट की लाइब्रेरी तक अपोजिशन पर आरोप लगाते हैं। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी यूपी की हर एक मीटिंग में
गुलाम नबी जी
पर आरोप लगाते हैं, लेकिन सदन में नहीं
गुलाम
आते
नबी
हैं।
जी,
ये सदन उनके लिए भी कोई मानगुआ रखता है? सर, हमें
अब सुनिए,
जब प्रधानमंत्री जी पहली दफा पार्लियामेंट में आए थे तो उन्होंने सर नमन किया था। अब वो कहां गया सर
that is
नमन?
not like that.
No, this
No,
is
leader of the house has already said that Pradhanamantri will come
और
and intervene.
वो भाषण देते हैं, अपोजिशन को गालियां देते हैं और सदन में नहीं आते।
Naqvi ji, no, please. This is not fair.
कि आज आपका
No, what is Naqvi ji? I want to hear you.
आपके हर सवाल का जवाब देंगे, ये बार-बार कहा जा चुका है।
Mr. Naqvi, please.
आपका आक्रोश जो है वो काले धन के कुबेरों की कंगाली को लेकर है। आपका आक्रोश जो है वो जो काले धन की नाकेबंदी हुई है उसको लेकर है। और इस आक्रोश को सड़क में, जनता के आक्रोश को झेलना पड़ा आपको। अब आप जो है वो जब सड़क पर जब पूरी तरह से फेल हो गए तो संसद को आप चर्चा के बजाय चुहलबाजी का हिस्सा बना रहे हैं। हमारी आपसे अपील है, आप चर्चा शुरू करिए। प्रधानमंत्री जी भी जवाब देंगे, वित्त मंत्री जी भी जवाब देंगे, और आपको हर सवाल का जवाब मिलेगा।
I want to hear that, please. But I want to hear that. I want to listen to that. No.
सर, दिक्कत इतनी यही है, ये दिक्कत यही है कि ये सुनाना चाहते हैं, सुनना नहीं चाहते। ये चाहते हैं कि केवल अपनी बात कहें और वॉकआउट कर जाएं। हमारा कहना है आप सुनाइए भी और सुनिए भी। हमारी आपसे अपील है आप चर्चा अभी शुरू करिए और जो सदस्य उसमें बोलना चाहते हैं वो बोले, जो सदस्य उसमें भाग लेना चाहते हैं नहीं लेना चाहते वो मत लें, लेकिन आप चर्चा तत्काल शुरू कर दीजिए। ये तुकों में जो चर्चा हो रही है, ये पार्ट्स में जो डिस्कशन हो रहा है, ये ठीक नहीं है।
See, this is unfair. No, listen. Listen. Ali Khan. Ali Khan. अरे चुप रहो। Wait. Please. No, please. Now see, this is unfair. I heard this side, LOP, but you are not allowing me to hear this side. That is unfair. I heard the opposition side. I understood the argument. I want to know from their side the reaction, which you are not allowing. Which you are not allowing. This is unfair. This is unfair. Treasury Bank is also creating a problem. You are also creating. Nada. What is Nada want to say? What do you want to say? Yes. JP Nada. Yes. Nada ji. Okay. Why honorable lady member is angry at me? Is she angry at me? Whom are you angry at, with me or I am not understanding? House is adjourned till 11 AM on Tuesday 29th November. कल के लिए adjourn किया.